Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says let a, b, c be positive integers. So, your a, b, c are positive integers such that b by a is an integer. Okay. If a, b, c are in GP, geometric progression, acha. So this is GP and b by a is r. So r will also be an integer. Okay, and this is GP. If and the arithmetic mean of ABC. So look at this how we will break down the situation. So arithmetic mean of ABC means a plus b plus c by 3 equals b plus 2. So this is your arithmetic mean. Then the value of, you have to calculate the value of this. A square plus a minus 14 by a plus 1. Technically you have to find out the value of a. Okay. Now look at this how we will approach. So suppose that a is a. Okay. So b will become what? AR. C will become what? AR square. Okay. 3 times b is what? AR plus 2. Correct? Now simplify things. So we got AR square plus we have AR this side, we have 3 times AR this side. So this 3 AR will come this side, it will become minus. So minus of 2 AR plus A will become 6. Okay. Now suppose that you have taken A common. So if you will take A common, you will be left with R square minus 2R plus 1 equals 6. So the value of A becomes 6 by R minus 1 whole square. Okay. So we got this as value of A. Correct? Now, as you know that A is an integer. So this thing will become integer if the denominator divides the numerator completely. Correct? So first try to understand when 6 will be divided. So you know that 6 will be divided by 1, 2, 3 and 6. Correct? And you have to make sure that r is an integer. Okay? So suppose that we will take root on both sides. So r minus 1 will become plus minus 1. This thing will become root 2. So rejected. This thing will become root 3. Rejected. Root 6 rejected, because root 6 plus or minus root 6 plus 1 is not an integer. So in only one case you will have an integer, either plus 1 or minus 1. So r equals to 2 or 0. You know that the common ratio cannot be 0. Okay, so the value of r becomes what? 2. Okay, I hope till this part you guys are okay. So if r is 2, so a will become what? So here you can substitute value of r is 2. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 square is 1. So 6 by 1 is 6. So value of a becomes 6. So we got value of a as 6. So now you can compute. It is 36 plus 6 minus 14 by 7. Okay. So now you can simplify things. So it is 42 minus 14 by 7. You can, so it is 4. Okay. So the required value is 4. I hope The idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.